What if your videos could speak 27 languages without you translating a single word? Today, I'll show you how to translate your videos for free using CapCut AI and instantly reach a global audience. CapCut has an AI-powered video subtitle translator that automatically detects the language in your video, converts speech to text with up to 98% accuracy, and then translates it into multiple languages, all in just a few clicks. This isn't just subtitles, this is global accessibility, better engagement, and smarter content creation. By translating your videos into different languages, you instantly make your content understandable to people all around the world without creating multiple versions. Subtitles help people with hearing impairments, learning disabilities, and viewers who prefer watching without sound. When your videos are translated into the language of the country you're targeting, they become easier to search, understand, and rank higher on platforms. No manual typing, no expensive translators. CapCut AI handles everything in seconds. Global marketing campaigns, international conferences, educational content for special schools, personal branding, and business growth. One video, endless possibilities. Open CapCut and upload your video from your computer, Google Drive, Dropbox, or even using a QR code. Once uploaded, drag the video straight into the editing timeline. CapCut will automatically detect the language spoken in your video. Go to Captions, then click Auto Captions and hit Generate. Wait a few seconds and CapCut will create perfectly synced subtitles for your video. Now go to the Translate option. Choose your desired language. CapCut supports over 27 languages, including English, French, German, Chinese, and Japanese. Click Translate and boom, your subtitles are instantly translated and synced to your video. You're not stuck with default subtitles. You can change fonts, add animations or effects, delete unwanted lines, replace subtitles with your own custom text. This is where you take your editing game to the next level. Once everything looks good, export your video in high quality. You can either download it to your device or share it directly to social media platforms. If you're a content creator, always translate your videos into at least one extra language. It dramatically increases watch time, reach, and engagement. And that's how you translate your videos for free using CapCut's AI subtitle translator. Join the family by subscribing to keep creating without limits.